Guys, the porridge hot. Nah lie. Caramel and oats, guys. Nah lie, hot like a fire. Guys, I'm gonna say something to you. I do security work from 2008. You understand me? I do security work at Antigua. I do security work at Trinidad. I'm come Grenada, I do security work. I'm not lie if you tell me I work with this policeman. He's an inspector. You understand me? Every time the man come, like in company side, the man a disrespect. You understand me? As a security, you know, we're not going to make report about certain things, and certain things are right, I'm going to make report. Even he tell me, oh Nicholas, if anything not right, make sure you make a report. I say, yes man, but watch out now. The same security them when I work with, and family them. And he tell me, if them are going with any stupidness, me to report them people. Be honest, we don't know. How can you do security and when you report and watch, the man is an inspector, is a police, you know. He's an inspector. And you make report to him. The man go back to the security them and I tell him everything you tell him, he go back to the security them. And guys, me not lie if you tell you. Same as when you go back to the security them and tell them the security then come back and tell me. You understand me? But watch out now. I own a family. You understand me? And the man them say, yo, jam down. Me fi be careful of Mr. X. You understand me? Guys, that a good person. Even when me just start work with him, a man see me up on the cliff and ask who me I work with, and me tell him. The man say, hey, that policeman is not a good man. Be careful of him. You understand me? Me dey in a Spring supermarket. Dey in a Spring supermarket. The man see me again. It's like the man a warn me. You understand me? And me say to the security them and make them know what I want. And the man them say, yo, jam down. Me tell her that already, you know. Inspector is not a good person. You understand me? Be careful of him. And people, every time me make report to that man, he go back and tell his cousin them, and his cousin then come back and tell me because he use his cousin them for work for him because nobody don't want to work for him. That is not a good person. Watch this. Every time a man come up on the side to man a disrespect, me have a little court matter. So I try to explain and make you know what I go on because he's an inspector. I say if he can't give me no good information, boss. Nothing. Not even little encouragement. The man no give me. So I turn to him and I say, how can you bring somebody a court for bang belly goat? The man say, what? Yeah, the man turn to me and say, I go get charged. I say, get charged for what? You understand me, I did? Because watch you now. For me ex, make report, say me come to Granville in 9th of November 2022 and call her bang belly goat. And tell her when she a come a coach, if bag her face. And she suck the money out of me. And now she want to suck a little blood out of me. She a vampire. But I no lie. That's how she be. And that's how she do. You understand me? I mean, no, they don't feel comfortable about it when they're here. And that's how she do. I mean, I hide and talk, and that's how she do. So people, they have me in a court feed. And when me say to you, man, the man don't give me no advice, nothing. And you saw me tell him, say, me call XYZ, the man vex. And I say, me should never call him. We should never say nothing to him. We could work out it. So why we never work out it from the first? When me that tell you? Hmm? Why we never work out it from the first when me that tell you it couldn't work out, but as me call such person and make them know what go on, we could work it out, not true? And you vex when me call the person name to you, you're tapping at your vehicle. Only thing you left to do is slam it door and drive away. And people me not lie. When me go by security booth, me talk and make him cousin here and him cousin go back go tell him. And he call me. Me say yes, of course you do it. And he say, oh sorry. And he apologize. So I me tell you what man do again one day. Me that work. And me the guys, the man call me. Out of blues the man call me. Oh, the white not tell you Ray this Ray that. Me say the white tell me what? Me say the white not tell me nothing. Lie man I tell you no. So me I go down at 26 and me turn back and me go straight in my office. Even when me I tell him say, yo, you hear me? Me a big a little time for left. Cause he want to work for him and his family them. You understand me? But watch out now. Why me that go on so? He want to stop me from a long time. Because one of security resign and say he mean that I get work. And he no get no work. So he want to tap me now for carry back that them and they and me know what I want but me no say nothing. You understand me? I don't say nothing. So me I tell him say yo, me I beg him little time to leave cause me don't see say yo certain things are right. You understand me? So me I tell him say yo, me I beg him little time to leave. Even the time when he call me and about if the white not tell me this and the white not tell me that, lie man I tell. Because he come there one Friday now, 2 days me no go work, Wednesday and Thursday. You understand me? 2 days me no go work. Me go work Friday morning. This welder man. Me hear security them a chat some things about him, how him a behave and so me try to keep him out. You understand me? He's not a security. He do welding. So me try to keep him out. Me no go work for 2 days, me dey home 2 days. Me 2 days off. When me go work, this man I go tell me about me fi stop smoke cigarette and throw away my work. Me say boss, 2 days now me no come a work. And you I go tell me stop smoke cigarette and throw away your work. Oh, and then so man start to go on and yo people me not lie fi tell you. You know how Jamaicans stay. But tap smoke. So me say boy go suck your mother. And I saw me start sending man die mama. And me say P wall me no name out a batty wall. And me no name out a batty wall. Make sure you tell you that. So you like an inspector boy must see hear what go on and vex. And me no care because me no name out a batty wall. When you vex, you go call me and tell me about oh you want to talk to me. And the same time you come and talk to me, you hear what me tell you. Same thing when you tell your family them, you hear me tell you straight up. You hear me tell you straight up, boss, let me tell you this. I'm not hungry, be hungry, make me come and grenade there, you know. See, you go tell me, boy, you go tap me for work and you go do this, you go do that. As an inspector, you're bad mind because watch you know. We sell the thief in ex-police boy one phone, Dwight Williams. And if I you, if you make me get the money, me would never get a dollar. Yeah, I'm going to report it on my office, you vex. You vex. Because you know want me talk to the people in my office. And you find out to me and the people in my talk. You vex. That's the reason why you tap me. For work. You understand me? That's what you in that plan for do. I mean, no, sir, that you in that plan for do. But boss, let me tell you this. And hungry me come a grenade. You understand me? And hungry me come here, suck me and look for the people. I not look nothing for them. Scrape your scrape. Make sure you tell her that. And me no like thief, and for me know you is a thief, me no want nothing to do with you. And you know say me no want nothing to do with Dwight Williams. All them things there. You try to build up everything in a one. You understand me? Because me no thief, and me no like thief, so you're not gonna like me. People, A whole heap of things to talk. You understand what I did? Just stop me from work and tell the people them say, and me stop. Me pay $700 a month for rent. Plus me youth have to get money. Me now go put myself, keep out myself. You understand what I did? And you stop me from work. Every time you come on the site, oh, I hope me not do nothing for me lose my work. Hope me not do nothing for lose my work. And that's what you want. Hmm? When your cousin them in their work and the people in place broke, which one of them you fire? Eh? Which one of them you fire? Boss, let me tell you this, man. I'm not hungry, me come a Grenada. And my money me have. And since me come a Grenada, me turn papa. I understand that shame. No, serious, you understand that shame because you don't have ambition. You don't have ambition. Guys, I'm out.